Hop into the 2021 INFINITI QX50. With less than 35,000 miles on the this striking QX50 delivers indulgent luxury and crossover versatility. A host of desirable amenities, smooth power, and advanced safety features let you enjoy every moment of the journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, proximity key entry, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, moonroof, sun moonroof, power passenger seat, lane keeping assist, fog lamps. Show the world your style in this exquisitely designed QX50. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.